This is the Bauer 15 amp wood planer. We have some milled strips of wood that we pulled from a tree, video coming eventually, and we're going to plane it on down and make it nice and smooth to eventually make a table. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. While opening up the box to get it nice and ready for you guys, there is either looks like ketchup or grease on the side here. Came straight out of the box like that, all over my hand. Doesn't smell delicious. So I'll be honest, having grease on the side like this makes me wonder about the quality control, but I guess we're gonna find out. If you happen to have a vacuum cleaner, it looks like you could plug yours right up to here. So it goes on the back of here, and there's screw holes right there. Here are the screws. This is also an adapter for this. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. There's a little half moon thing right there, and it comes with its very own Allen wrench. How cool is that? We are going to take this piece of wood right here and try to make this nice and smooth. We've got the blade down, and we're going to do a couple of light test passes to see how it works. Let's get to it. Check this out. Look at the grain. This thing is also super smooth. And when I was using it, it was sort of pulling it for me. It took me a while to kind of get the crank set right, but it was nice. So I think I'm going to switch to the other side and get the rough cut here and try to bring this thing down and make it nice and pretty. Smooth and ready to go. You hit this with a sander, maybe some light paper, 240 or something grit. So it seemed to do pretty good. I went a little too far on the turning. You can only do, it seems like about a 1/16 at a time, or maybe just a hair more if you're pushing it. If you bog it down too much, it kind of, doesn't like it, but it seems to still pull through. This here is a piece of 10-inch black walnut. It's nice and hard. Let's see how it goes. Check out this. Still have a little bit more to go, but it's nice. It's really nice. Compared to this, look, haven't been on this side yet. I brought it down to about 1.5 inches. I know it looks like it's kind of messed up right there, but it's actually smooth. This looks beautiful. When I was using the planer, I did a half a rotation, because if I went a little too far, it would bog it down. But this here is wide and heavy, but overall it did pretty good. It didn't take too many passes to get this thing nice and pretty. We're gonna put a little mineral oil on here and see if this shines. That other piece we had was a 6-inch piece. So some final thoughts on this planer. If you don't want to pay the money for the big name brands, you can get this bad boy right here from Harbor Freight for about 1/3 less than what the other ones charge. If you are getting into woodworking and need a planer, I'd say maybe so. It was easy to set up right out of the box. 10 minutes and we were planing these pieces of wood. So if you like this video, do me a favor, give me one of these. I will see you guys next time.